Do you know what this is? This is a horse. Do you know what this is? This is a goose. What about this? I'm sure you know what this is. This is a dog. What about this bird? Do you know this bird? It's a rooster. What about this friendly animal? Do you know what this is? This is a cow. What about this one? I'm sure you know this one. This is a pig. What about this? This is a sheep. Would you like to try again? A horse, a goose, a dog, a rooster, a cow, a pig, a sheep. Let's try it together. A horse, a goose, a dog, a pig, a rooster, a cow, a sheep. Well done! Now let's try to learn how to write the names of these animals.